Alright you guys, welcome back to some more Dead Space. Last episode we ended like right here-ish, and this door was closed but now it's open because I did not know there was a save in here. So I went to start the episode and then I saw this, so I just saved it and now we start the episode. But I accidentally opened up these two lockers and there was ammo on both of them, and the third one here there's a med pack, but we cannot pick it up because our inventory is full, so I'm probably just going to leave it there because it's only a small. And that blood bet there actually is not from me or an enemy that I killed. There's actually nothing though. But anyway, let's back into the gameplay.
Come on! Come on! Let me out!
Like I said, there's a lot of creepy stuff in this game. What is that? We almost missed that. Oh, it's just ammo. That's a new enemy though. And the line rifle actually works very well on them, which I did not think about. Okay, I just heard him. I don't know where he is though. Oh my, he's on my ass. Get off me, get off me. Punt. Good thing is that actually killed him. Bad thing is we lost health. Okay, I'll just use a small one. Oh, ammo. Okay, I don't know how I missed that the first time. Look at these babies, bro. We might see them later in the game. I could be wrong. Spoiler. By the way, I did not mean to get attacked by that. Oh shit. I just heard another one, but I don't see it. Oh, is that right there? Like I said, these line rifles work great on them. Didn't mean to do this. Jesus, this is a huge ass chair. No clue what you expect.
That thermite you picked up should be able to melt through the barricade. Use the shock pad to ignite it. Hope I can hold this position. I can hear something big moving out there.
This is the beginning, okay. I know where we are now. Alright. They went off, but they closed on us. Bad time to reload. If you guys can't tell, I probably should use stasis much more than I am. Did I miss something back here? I thought I heard something. I'm not used to using it. Like, for whatever reason, the first time I played through this, I didn't use it probably as much as I should when I was battling enemies. I guess I'm just not anymore. Okay, let's see what's in the store first. Like I said, flamethrower is 11,000. That's the most expensive yet. We don't have that many credits to do anything. We have a good amount of stuff in our inventory, so we don't actually need anything. I just want to see how many credits I had. Look at that shadow. Oh shit. Jesus. Like I said, this game has some really creepy ass shit in it. no clue what that was. I don't even think I saw what it was. I think we have one power node though. Yes, we do. I'm actually going to increase the cap on the line gun.
Use kinesis on heavy objects that display this symbol.
Okay, I think I might be able to figure this out. Maybe not. Oh yeah, we're just supposed to move it out of the way. I knew I had another one. Where the hell are you? Stop moving. Jesus, man, that thing just did not want to die. Actually, which way do we have to go? Okay. See what's in here first. Oh my god. Pulse round, so we can now buy ammo for the pulse rifle, which we do not have yet in the shop. I'll probably buy that in a few episodes, because I think it's nice to have at least 3 weapons. But it's only early on, so we'll be fine with 2. We actually could be fine with 1, but it's nice to have the line rifle. Every time a thing's behind me, and it's never behind me. If you ask why I stomp on enemies all the time, that's because a lot of enemies dropped items like ammo and credits. So I'd like to stomp on them to see if they have any left in them.
Your air meter will appear when you are in a vacuum.
Okay, I actually remember this part of the game, so I'm pretty sure we have plenty of time. If not, probably shouldn't have picked those up.
As you know, Ishimura is able to set his gravity locally. Your grav boots will kick
Yeah,
in
see, told you,
when
plant
enter
down.
the 0G area.
Oh, I hate these parts of the games. There's actually a lot of them. Oh, get the hell out of here.
Your ammo counter will flash red if you can't jump to a surface.
Whoa, what is going on here? What the hell? I just died.
Your ammo counter will flash red if you can't jump to a surface.
Now we're in 0G. You can't dive on something that's like too far away, or too close to you though. I don't know, that one doesn't stay. We need to take this one.
Exiting 0 gravity.
Shock Pro, what is that? Oh, it's the objective.
Great. You got a shock pad. Combine that with the thermite at the barricade to destroy it. Shit. I can hear more coming. Moving through the vents. Stay safe, Isaac.
Entering 0 gravity.
Oh shit.
Exiting zero gravity.
Okay, that was much more difficult than I thought I remember it being. Well, much less difficult. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna go back into the no air zone, I guess.
Exiting zero gravity. Entering vacuum.
Oh, hey, we forgot one. I don't even need stasis that much. Oh shit.
Exiting vacuum.
I'm not even going my way. Where am I even supposed to be going? Okay, yeah, I remember this now. Oh shit. I will kill you. I don't think I was able to kill him. Okay, I think I did kill him actually, so that's good. Use one power node. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. There's a lot of doors like this throughout the game where you have to open up with a power node. There's never really, there's always a bunch of items in here. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not. Like our inventory is full, so here I'll use a med pack. Pick up a large med pack.
You found something down there, didn't you?
Yes, we found something.
So the texts were right all this time.
I wouldn't be certain of that. There was nothing divine in what I saw.
We must embrace this. We are the first witnesses.
Matthias isn't letting anyone down in the colony. It's under quarantine until we learn more.
To hell with Matthias. He of all people should know that this is greater than him, or the operation, or even the company. This is our deliverance.
Keep your damn voice down. People are dying down there.
Only the worthless and the unbelievers. But I
Oh shit. I actually forgot about those things and I literally fucking hate them. Alright you guys, welcome back. Sorry about that fact that you didn't hear all that audio logging. Am I really out of ammo? Let's see if I can go back and listen to it. Good thing is we have line ammo. Picked up something. Oh, I picked up my line ammo though. Jesus, man, I don't know how many of these things are there, but there's a shit ton. That's where the pulse rifle comes in handy. The pulse rifle has a lot of ammo, but it doesn't do that much damage, but those guys don't require that much damage to kill. Alright, you guys, yeah, let's actually see what we got in store first. I need to buy ammo. See this thing I picked up before, this thing, that was a good pick up because basically the only thing you can use it for is to sell, and they're nice to sell. Let's see what I need here. How many do I have now? 24. I have plenty of line shots, I'm gonna use some of those. What should we? Yeah, we'll buy them. Cause I didn't think those enemies would be introduced yet, so we'll buy some of those. We're gonna get rid of this because I don't really need this. That was why I sold it. That's why I kept it before. Alright, well, this is what I'm going to call the episode. Because there's a save right there. Because, you know, why not? I'll show you guys this gun next time. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you later.